Everyone, in this video I am going to show you what Facebook professional mode is and how you can make money from Facebook professional mode in Nigeria. So in this video, as I've said, we are going to be looking at what Facebook professional mode is and how you can make money from it. Honestly, I heard about Facebook professional mode just yesterday and I was curious and I had to do in-depth research, about 9-hour research into what Facebook professional mode is. And for Nigerians and other countries, it is a way you can make money. A friend of mine in UK, I saw on his Facebook profile that he just joined the Facebook professional mode. So if those people in UK are doing it, why are you in Asia, in India, in Nepal, in Pakistan, and even Nigeria and Ghana and other countries, why are you not going to do it? So in today's digital world, social media is more than just entertainment. It's a powerful tool to earn a living. If you are active on Facebook and want to start making money without opening a new page, Facebook professional mode could be your gateway to monetization. Previously, you have to open Facebook page or Facebook group and use it to make money and other things. But now you don't need that. Just your own Facebook page you are using now. All you need to do is to tweak it and turn it to professional mode. So what then is professional mode of Facebook? Facebook professional mode is a feature that allows individuals to turn their personal profile into a creator profile. When you activate this mode, your profile gets additional tools to grow your audience, track your performance, and monetize your content, all while still functioning like your regular Facebook profile. So it is just your regular Facebook profile you are still going to use, but now you have to tweak it to become professional mode. Now, in simple terms, you can earn money from your normal Facebook account as long as you consistently create engaging and original content on it. Now, your normal Facebook profile, go to where your picture is. You're going to see 3 dots that are arranged on top of themselves. 1, 2, 3 dots. Click on that dot and then you see the option to navigate to the professional mode. Click it and follow the steps, and pronto, your Facebook profile is in professional mode, and then it comes with other features that enables you to do a lot more than you are doing before. But that same profile, that professional mode that you have turned it to, we still be serving as your profile. But as it is your profile, it's also professional mode, which you can make money from. So what are the features of Facebook professional mode? Number 1 is monetization tools. You have access to Facebook Reels, Reels Play bonus, and ad revenue sharing. You may be eligible for stars, which fans can send during live videos or reels. Then there's Insight Analytics. You track your post reach, engagement, and follower growth. Then follow button. Instead of friend requests, people can follow you. This helps you build an audience without hitting the 5,000 friend limit. Then there's also the professional dashboard, a back-end tool to manage your performance, earnings, and insights. How can you make money from Facebook professional mode in Nigeria? Number 1 way is through Reels Play bonus program. Post engaging short videos, that's Reels, and get paid based on views and interactions. This bonus program is by invitation, but becoming consistent and building an audience increases your chances. Then the Facebook in-stream ads. If your videos are long form, 3 minutes and above, you can qualify for in-stream ads. This allows Facebook to run ads during your videos and you get a share of the revenue. Number 3 way to make money from this professional Facebook professional mode in Nigeria is by getting stars. Fans can buy and send stars during your live videos or on-demand contents. You get paid for every star you receive. This works well if you go live regularly or post valuable content. Then there's brand partnerships and sponsorships. Once you have a large following, Nigerian or international brands may pay you to promote their products or services. Now, how to turn on professional mode on Facebook using a phone. I've explained it already, but let me explain it again. Open your Facebook profile. Tap the three dots beside Edit Profile. Select Turn on Professional Mode. Follow the prompt to set it up. Once activated, your profile will now show Digital Creator. Wow, congratulations. And your followers can grow beyond your friend list. See, I tell people that everybody have content inside them. It is just that you are not ready to put it out. You can put it out, and if you think you don't have content, you can learn it. And I can teach you how to make content. And I have a playlist on this channel talking about content creation. Go ahead, check that playlist and see how to start YouTube channel, how to start the same procedure you use in creating YouTube videos, the same procedure you use in creating videos and content on Facebook. If you need further guidance, I am here to help you and to guide you. But if you want to contact me personally one-on-one outside of YouTube or outside of social media, then you are going to pay if you are going to contact me one-on-one. But if you have your question in the description section or the comment section, I will answer you for free. Now, these are tips to succeed and earn money. Create original content regularly. It can be text, it can be video, it can be images or live. Like today, I asked on my Facebook page. Funniest thing, I have not turned on the Facebook professional profile. I will turn it on after I've made this video, because I want you and I to start at the same time, and then we can monitor our growth together. So create original content regularly. It can be text, it can be video, it can be images, it can be live content. Focus on valuable or entertaining posts like humor, education, motivation, lifestyle, or niche content. Then use Facebook Reels. Short videos perform best for this purpose. Then engage with your audience. Reply to comments and messages. Then avoid copyrighted content. Facebook is strict on originality. So Facebook professional mode is an opportunity for Nigerians to earn money doing what they love, creating content. Whether you are into fashion, comedy, tech, family life, motivation, or even education, there is a space for you. You don't need to be a celebrity to make money. Just be consistent, creative, and intentional. Start today. Your Facebook profile can become your next income stream. So, my brothers, my sisters, everyone, this is the opportunity you have been waiting for, and I've brought it your way today. Don't let it go by you without you taking action. I will see you in the next one. Before then, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the link of this video to your family and friends, and let me have your comment and questions in the comment section below. This video popping up by the side from my channel is the next you need to watch now.